India is a developing country with vast resources. The country is witnessing rapid economic growth due to liberalization of its market and rise in socio-economic parameters. This has led to rapid urbanization. Mumbai Metropolitan Region (MMR), the commercial capital of India, has seen similar growth in its urban area and population. That's why MMRDA came out to identify road transport network required for the planned development. Considering the necessity of Mumbai Metropolitan Region to provide direct connectivity to the existing built-up areas of the Thane Belapur road to NH4, they came up with this project. But before continue, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, because we want you to witness the development of India through our channel, and also press the bell notification so you don't miss any of our videos. MMRDA has undertaken a 12.3 km elevated road project, and it is expected to cut down the travelling distance between Airoli and Kalyan by 10 km. This corridor would provide direct transport connectivity to the existing built-up areas of the Thane Belapur road to NH4 at present, and can be developed in future for multi-modal corridor. And this project holds an important strategy for the future development of Mumbai metropolis. According to MMRDA official, this project will have two arms or elevated roads in Navi Mumbai, while the first arm will start near the Airoli Creek Bridge at the Airoli end, and the other will start from Thane Belapur Road. At present, there is heavy traffic load on Thane Belapur Road. The vehicles being routed through Mumbai Vasi Road from Belapur, and they have to take about 18 km round to reach Pune on National Highway number 4. The proposed link road will save time, energy and fuel. The alignment is going to cross the Thane Belapur railway line and Thane Belapur road, and the interchange is proposed at the junction of Thane Belapur road. The alignment will then pass through the MIDC area, and after crossing the MIDC area, this is going to cross the hilly terrain of Persik Hill. This Persik Hill section is a protected and reserved forest area. In order to reduce the length of the alignment and also to improve geometric standard of the alignment, a 1.75 km flat tunnel is proposed to cross the Persik Hill area. The tunnel is planned considering twin tubes, each with a 3-lane carriageway. Talking about the progress, well, the tunnel excavation is almost completed, and the bridge's work is also going on in full force. About the completion, as per official, the phase 1, which includes developing an elevated road connecting Thane Belapur road with the NH4, will be completed by March 2022, while the tunnel road from central MIDC to NH4 near Mumbai will be completed by March 2023. Also, the second phase, an elevated road between Airoli Creek Bridge at Airoli end and Thane Belapur road, is likely to be completed by December 2022. There is also a third stage of elevated road between NH4 and Katai Naka is still in tendering stage. Well, the estimated cost for the first phase is 382 crore and the second phase is approx 275.9 crore. Well, I must say, there is negligible felling of trees as the link road is passing through private forest and protected forest as flyover, which is under use for industry purpose. And the major portion is for tunnel, which is passing without disturbing surface, and there will be no cutting of trees in this tunnel portion. So what do you think about this project? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Did you enjoy this video? Well, you can hit that like and subscribe to our channel. You have any suggestions? Well, you can connect me on Insta or ask me on Twitter. And we will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.